Hello everybody, my name is Samuel Lian. This is my video continuation of Idiot.net assignment process 2. My video 1, I don't have not enough time to recording all because I'm slow talker, and this video casting screen recording is allowed to record maximum is 15 minutes, and I may shortcut a lot of things. That's why this is my video 2 for continuing the first video. This is part 2 of recording 2 and continuing the first video. Also, my teacher, Miss Karen, uh, this is my continuing video. My first video is I don't have not enough time to explain all that the video was about, and this is my continuing video, and let's start now. And I want you to look also this video. Let's start my project. Okay, it's loading. It will load. When I run my project, and I have login button. When I click login button, it takes me to login. For now, I don't put the user input yet. That's why I can go, and after I press login, it takes me into my selection form. In my selection form, you can see this is go for my other form. For example, in my selection form, I can go to add the new group to SQL, and I can go back and add image, but I don't make this one yet because I don't have no time to finish at all. And add new member, you can see. And in add new number, and it's take back my subscription, and this group. In group, is tell me like group 1. I name my group in my SQL like group 1, group 2. I just give random name. I don't give, and after I can do group, I can go to group info. This is my group info page, and from here I can go project page like group 1, and I can go group 1 project. So project 2, I can add new group project 2. You can see this is my project page, and I can go back to my selection action. This computer's loading, and in here I have personal info page. So personal info page for my data set, you can see. And donation. Okay, return to main menu, and let's talk my mediator. Let's talk here about this form. This is my mediator. I call my you can see my mediator. First time I saw this all in my first video. My mediator, I told already in my SQL connect CCon, and I have 2 and CSD connection for group, for delete, for group, delete person. And you can see I inherited data, and this is my connection string, and you can see my SQL reader to return the group info if they selecting for group order by the name. and this is my excuse command, and this is personal info to return, and this is my data set. You can see my data set is I call the church data group. In my first video I saw you already in this one is, and I'll put my data set in here. You guys can see this is my data set. It's loading the file. It's because my computer is slow. This is my data set. I call the church data. I saw first video. I have like strong connection with all the tables, same as Live Studio. This data set I call the church database. I have primary key and I have relationship connector. And let's go back to my mediator. And in here you can see like set up a command for the group. Select for the group by name, and I have delete the purple group, the table by group, and I can delete by the group by ID by store procedure, and setting like including the name of the database field in the end. And I have same thing on like on return the person, like person 2, like exactly similar, like I delete the person by like person ID. I can see, and this is my return group 2 account. Return the number. I have to I create like for the group 2, and like return the return of Comer. You can see that all, and this is my SQL group return project. Return the by first and last name. You can see that. Update like the church by the donation. Okay, not only like SQL procedure, I use also inheriting, insert inheriting to like add in my from my database to add. Now you can see I call like add the name, like that name is my connection, open connection, and seek. I set the property command name. I insert the person value, and I add, and it's going to add into a former group. I have similar person. I have 2. You can volume by I add by the end. This is my store procedure. I insert the new like person first name. You can see that by add the new person, and this is my update person by like inserting, not by procedure. You can see update the person by deleting 2 here, and I try to image, but I don't all that. And I will show you like how is the best work like in 2 table. Like I will show you the one Miss Karen, the one you asked to B grade and A grade, like that one you asked about disconnect architecture data from the database. That's I have in my my project. That I want to make sure you see, because my first video I think I may not recover at all. Login is loading. My computer is kind of slow. Okay, here I will show you first by the the group personal info. It's loading. It takes time. Okay, here you can see like I just named group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5 from like my store procedure. I insert in my management studio at like in here. In new query I put store procedure for those that put in. You can see here it's read by my data set. you can see that the group 2 is team there, and I can like upgrade group info, like modify. I can upgrade group 2 to modify. I can like delete this group, deleting or updating. Updating by the column row, and also like I can add the new person too by here. Also you can see like this is going the project page. And let's go back to my personal info. I have similar like that too. In my personal info page, sorry about it. Here you can see all I have in my database input or dataset. Like I can add new person by here. For example, let's add like A157 name H home DAO last name membership new Andes 12467 ST KA Ken KENT Ken KANGLEY Kangley CD Ken 98031 state YA. And let's add this new person. It says add in here. You can see in the bottom here that guy. I add a new person here, the Andes 2, and I can upgrade this person too. For info, upgrade successful. Yeah, you can see I can upgrade like team and personal info, like it's modified. Upgrade in database, you see it's upgrading and deleting to team, like it's changed me. I can delete. Okay, let's go to the page to call back from my medial tool. Come on, it's gone up. My computer is frozen. I don't know why. It's coming, and I would like to show you guys about it from my medial tool, like how I call that thing from my medial tool. Let's go first. I want to show you guys like personal info page. I just do. Here you guys can see from my mediator, like DMT, my mediator name, and this is my SQL data reader, and this is DHers for my data set, and like the data table chain. You can see you can see here is my personal info lot. The bottom for like you can see combo box. I use personal reader dot and write the last name, and this is delete the row. Delete the row statement. You can see my person last name, and this is my new add button. I call like data row dr, like person add row. You can see all that, and this is my load, and this is my button update. Click, you can see that